My name is Ceronio. I'm the owner of Ceronio, a social media management and video editing agency, and I'm obsessed with becoming the best version I can possibly be. My plan for this YouTube channel is to document my entire journey, through the good times where I achieved success, as well as when I faced failures and difficult times. I would like this channel to become something one day, but if I'm making progress and inspiring others along the way, I'm happy. I'm also working towards scaling my main business, Ceronio, that I've been working on the past year, alongside some of my other businesses and social medias, to a point where I will take home $50,000 in pure profit every single month before the end of 2024. This will provide me with the financial, time and location freedom so I can have less stress and focus on my main goal, which is becoming a professional boxer. So for the first few months of 2024, I will focus most of my time and energy on scaling my businesses, as well as implementing processes and systems so I can automate them. These systems will allow my businesses to grow and generate income with little to none of my input. This will allow me to put most of my time, focus and energy on improving my boxing skills as well as fitness. Here are some lessons I've learned in 2023 that I wish my past self knew, and I hope my future self remembers. 2023 taught me that life can knock you down and your entire life can change in an instant. When you get knocked down, you will have two choices. You can either stay down, blame everything and give up on your dreams, just like I did for a few months of 2023, or you can get up, stop feeling sorry for yourself and get to work becoming the person you are meant to be. Life can knock you down in an instant, but it can also fulfill your dreams just like that. You just have to keep going and let your hard work and determination compound over time. It won't be easy though. It will take a lot of time and reps to see results, but what other choice do we have? Well, I think that's enough yapping for one video, but I will gradually show more of my losses, wins and life on this channel. Before the end of the video, I would like to share one last quote that helped me get through 2023. It's impossible, but that's what makes it a worthy challenge.